Here are the things that we will need to make the strawberry crunch. In each of these bowls, I have 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. To one bowl, I'm going to add this package of cheesecake pudding. You can also use vanilla. In the other bowl, I'm going to add the package of strawberry jello. Here we have 1 stick of unsalted butter. I'm going to cut the stick of butter in half and place half in each of the bowls. Then I'll be adding just a splash of vanilla extract to each of the bowls as well. We will also need some golden Oreos, but I'll be back a little later to show you guys what we're going to do with those. Now we're going to start by adding the pudding to one of the bowls and the jello to the other bowl. Now I'm going to take a spoon and just give the contents of each bowl a quick stir to combine. Now I'm going in and adding half a stick of butter to each of the bowls. Lastly, we're going to go in and add a splash of vanilla extract to each of the bowls. Here I'm going to start mixing everything together with a spoon. Once I get everything pretty much combined, I'm going to go in with my hands and just give it a really good mixing to make sure that everything is well combined, and that way I'll be able to spread the contents on the cookie sheet, but you'll see that coming up soon. Here I'm going in and doing the exact same thing I did with the pudding with the jello. I'm not sure if I mentioned this earlier, but you do need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. But here I have the cookie sheet that I have lined with parchment paper. I'm just going to go through and spread the pudding on one half, and then I will put the jello on the other half. Now that I have everything on the cookie sheet, I'm going to place in a 350 degree oven and bake for 7 minutes. Make sure you use a timer because this will burn very easily. So here I have a bowl and the Oreos. I'm going to open about 15 Oreos, remove the center, and then put the pieces in the bowl. Twist it. There's nothing really on this side, so I'm just going to drop that in the bowl. Take a knife, remove the center for this one, and drop that in the bowl. So I'm going to do this for, again, 15 Oreos. All right, so now I'm going to put these in the food processor to grind them really finely. And then I'm going to set this bowl to the side. And then once our pudding and jello come out of the oven and have a chance to cool, then we'll go ahead and assemble everything. So I'm just popping in to show you guys what the Oreos look like. There's a chunk still in here after I took it out of the food processor. So again, we'll be back once we take the pudding and jello out of the oven. Here's the pudding and jello right out of the oven. We're just going to let it hang out in this pan until it cools completely, and then we'll come back to finish the strawberry crunch. Here our pudding and jello have had a chance to cool, so I'm just going to go through, break it up with my hands, and then add it to the bowl of the crushed Oreos. Now I'm gonna go in with the pudding. So now we're just gonna hand toss everything together. Just like that, our strawberry crunch is done. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, as always, leave them down below in the comment section. I will reply. While you're here, I ask that you also look down below, press that subscribe button, join our family, come back for some more recipes. I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.